Hey guys, Ben here from the fiberglass factory. So today I'm just showing you the process of repairing a wing here. We had a fire, which some of you probably know, and we've had to replace some moulds. So we were able to chase up this wing which was damaged on the racetrack by a customer. Thankfully they've lent it back to us and we're able to fix the repair for him, and then we can make a mould off it and then make the product available again. So it's an E36 touring car wing. Alright, so what we've done here is we've just ground out the cracks and we're just about to lay a bit of fiberglass over the top of it, and then we'll sand that down smooth, bringing it back down to level, and then we're just going to mould off the whole lot. After that we'll put some flanges because it'll be a two-piece mould, and happy days.